In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake garlic in the oven.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
Now, yes, you could take this thing and you could just lay it in the oven. But there's this really cool little dish here which I've soaked overnight. It's a terracotta dish. See, this is the water from the pot. And we're just going to rinse this off really easily with clean water. And we're going to cut the tips of this using my cool knife. So that you see the very tips of all the garlic are open. That's the purpose of that. I'm going to cut just a little bit on the bottom so that it stays flat. Okay, so then we're going to lay this down like this. Now to bring out those beautiful flavors, we're going to use olive oil. Now you all know I don't use very much olive oil, and this is a time where I get a little brush here and I'm going to put olive oil over the top. It was supposed to be a little bit. I'm just going to cover the top. Now, the average time for this is an hour, but you need to check it in between. So then it goes like this. Now, I use extra virgin olive oil, but any olive oil will work. This is just what I have available. This is all ready to go. So we're just going to wait for the timer to start, and then we're going to get that going. So I'll see you in a little bit, and I'll show you the next step.
Alright, you press bake. Mine's already set at 350 degrees. And as soon as it starts to ring, the timer will say it's at 350 degrees. You press start. It's at 100 right now. Well, it will be at 100. Then we'll put the garlic into it. Now, the way you know this is ready is you take your fork, and if it goes right through, you know it's ready. See? Alright, so what we have to do next is from here, we have to turn off the power. So the oven is turned off. Then you have to use some mitts and you have to pull this off carefully.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.